Hello guys, today's video review of the top 5 best treadmills for home use. The single easiest way to build fitness is to add walking or jogging as a consistent part of your workout routine. But bad weather, busy schedules, and expensive gym memberships are all real hurdles to getting in your exercise. That's when it's helpful to have one of the latest home treadmills, which offer many workout programs and entertainment features to keep you motivated and moving. Plus, you can't beat the convenience and safety of jumping on a good machine in your own basement or garage. There are many products available to choose treadmills for home, each with different characteristics. To make a perfect decision, I did deep research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best treadmills for home from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Horizon Fitness 7.0 at Treadmill. Instead of locking you into its own training ecosystem, Horizon keyed in on features to give you greater control of your workout. The 7.0 has limited training options but connects easily to an iPad or Android tablet. That keeps costs in check because there's no built-in television, but it allows you freedom to take Peloton classes or run using Zwift. We like the thumb dials mounted chest high on the hand grips that let you quickly adjust your speed and incline. It feels way more fluid than trying to stab at buttons on a console. While we don't often recommend home treadmills that cost less than $1,000 because they generally have small motors and shaky frames, the 7.0 is surprisingly steady. We set it up in the home of one of our testers, and he found that the deck didn't shake during months of use. The belt is narrower and shorter than we'd prefer for running, but it's an ideal size if you're walking. Plus, you'll appreciate the small profile if you're setting it up in a small room. Number 2. Sunny Health and Fitness SFT7603 Treadmill. This budget-friendly treadmill on Amazon is a great deal because so many people buy and love it. Currently, it has earned over 1,000 5-star reviews. Of course, to hit such a low price, there are a lot of compromises. The belt is the skinniest we've seen. The motor tops out at 9 miles per hour, and to adjust the incline you have to get off the machine and flip a lever under the deck. But it's smooth and reliable at walking speeds and is handy for the occasional jog when you otherwise can't get outside. It's hard to argue with what this treadmill delivers at this price. Number 3. Xterra Fitness TR150 Folding Treadmill. This Xterra is an entry-level walking treadmill that's a hit with Amazon.com buyers because it's so affordable and delivers reliability you don't usually see for just a few $100. It's extremely lightweight and small, and it's a breeze to assemble by yourself. And, once set up, it'll handle years of occasional walking and jogging. The 16 inches belt is as narrow as it gets, so you should plan on doing any intense intervals. But if you do want to pick up the pace, it'll turn the belt up to 10 miles per hour. A compromise on budget machines like this is that you don't get big, smooth motors to do heavy work. Also, if you want to change the incline, you have to get off and do that manually. Incline tops out at just 5%. Number 4. Soul Fitness F80 Treadmill. Though it has a smaller motor and it lacks the fancy touchscreen you find on other models, the Soul F80 treadmill is still a serious training tool. The durable frame can support runners up to 375 pounds, so it'll take any beating you can deliver. And the gentle bounce is soft underfoot but not so much as to cause any stability issues. The Soul F85 treadmill has a 4.0 HP motor and larger rollers for even better performance. A handy feature on the F80 is the rail-mounted buttons to control speed and incline, which let you grip the rail and squeeze the button with a thumb rather than jabbing at the console when you're running all out. If you need interactive coaching, the iPad holder lets you bring your own device. Or, just prop this machine up in front of a big screen TV and binge some Netflix on your long runs. Number 5. Lifespan Fitness TR5500 IM Folding Treadmill. The TR5500 IM Folding Treadmill has been updated with a 10 inches touchscreen console, but still has the plain Jane look that we've long loved and the small stance that won't take up much space in your basement. The refreshed console is a nice upgrade, even if it doesn't bring you live coaching or Google Street Views, because it's so easy to use. But you can add smarts to that console by mirroring your phone's screen, so you can watch videos on the machine's larger display. Plus, when you're pre-programming a workout, you can simply slide bars on a chart up or down to adjust the speed and incline for each segment. That console also sits quite low. Taller testers had to look down more while running on this treadmill than they did on other machines. However, we like that the lower console is out of the way if you are watching a TV. If you found this video valuable, give it a like, and check pricing on the product mentioned. Be sure to check the links in the description.